जितनी गरीब गर है उजालों से दूर दूर, उतनी ही रोशनी में सितारों से छीन लो। जितनी गरीब तन है चादरों से बेनियाज, उतनी ही चादरें में मज़ारों से छीन लो। इतनी तो जुर्अतें हो मेरी कम से कम बुलंद, इतनी हो जुर्अतें हो मेरी कम से कम बुलंद, शाहों के ताज फ़क़त इशारों से छीन लो। Honorable President, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I feel proud and privileged to stand in front of you on this august occasion. Today, my topic of discussion is merit defeats corruption. Mr. President, corruption is the misuse and abuse of power and authority. It is a global phenomenon. Corruption is a monster. It has spread its tentacles all over the world and kills the constitutions, societies, and economy of the developing nations. Mr. President, merit and corruption are oxymoronic. Both of them cannot go together. If corruption gets rampant, merit vanishes. On the contrary, if merit prevails, the corruption finds no place. Mr. President, the history of the world provides glaring examples of the victories of the merit. All the prophets of Almighty Allah have been great leaders because merit was the cornerstone of their lives. All the great and venerated leaders were loved and admired by the public because their decisions were based on merit. The miracles of science and technology speaks volume of merit because only meritorious scientists can make discoveries. Mr. President, status can be achieved through corruption, but performance purely required merit. Corruption brings money, but merit brings honor. Corruption brings office, but merit brings achievement. Corruption brings name, but merit brings fame. Corruption brings grandeur, but merit brings veneration. Corruption wins wealth, but merit wins hearts. Corruption take you to the position, but cannot make you perform. Mr. President, let us say the glass is half full. Let's be optimistic. Let us pledge that we would hold merit high in every walk of life. Let us pledge that we would strictly prevent and oppose corruption around us. Thus, this will ensure socio-economic and political development of our country at large. Thank you very much.